Alright, so I just want to share my setup. I am not sponsored. I paid for these bags with my own money. I just love bags and I love finding different purposes for the bag. So these bags are not specifically marketed as photography specific gear bags, but it carries my entire kit. And so I'm just going to break that down. So we have two different options. This is the Mountain Essential Tote, and this basically carries the entire camera kit, which fits into the mini quick pack. So we've got the tripod down here. In the front, it's got room for the basically 3 of these Freewell filters. So this is the entire kit. All the filters you can get for the Luna. Has a polarizer, black mist, so on and so forth. So all 3 of those fit in here comfortably in the front. Then in the main pocket, we will just so we got a cleaning cloth, we've got a mini power bank, we've got the Luna. So in the Luna I carry a glow mist and then an ND32 filter. I find that's kind of what I go to most often, and so that is basically the setup there. And then we've got some small rig tripod legs, because the ones that come on the Luna, these little joints, they're like tiny paper clips. They work in a pinch, but I just they make me laugh. They're just kind of funny. But yeah, so I really wouldn't rely on those, but if you don't have tripod legs, they'll get the job done in a pinch. But I just found the small rig one works a little bit easier. And yeah, and then in here I also have the Insta360 Mic Pro single transmitter. So that's in here, that fits in there with the accessories. And so yeah, that's pretty much the entire bag. I also have like an AirTag in here. So that's the entire kit, and everything fits comfortably. There's a little bit of room left, but mostly it's everything just kind of has its place, fits in. Don't have to like super cram anything in there. Everything's just kind of fits super comfortable, and it's very quick and easy to access anything that I need. Now in a pinch, so if you need it, so previously I started off with the mini shoulder bag, and cool thing about the mini shoulder bag is that it will actually fit the Luna. So pop the Luna in there, and then we'll take the tripod legs, the small ones, and then we'll take one of our filters. So you could obviously customize and just choose like which filters you use most often, and so you can put that in here, so that fits in there as well. And then also the mic transmitter will also fit in here as well. So we'll just kind of stuff that in there. It's easier if you put this in first and then toss in the Luna and this guy. I usually like to go like this down. Cool. Okay, so then yeah, so that gets zipped up. Oop. And then you've got your compact kit with 4 filters plus 2, so that's technically 6 filters that you can hold, because you can hold 2 in the Luna protective case. And so you've got wireless audio, you've got camera, you've got ND, you've got filtration. The only thing you don't have is the bigger tripod. There's no real space to kind of hold the bigger tripod, but you do have the smaller tripod. So if you have somewhere you can kind of set the camera down, this would be all you need. The straps, or the shoulder strap or sling portion, is detachable, which I do appreciate. So you can detach it, and you've also got straps back here as well as a strap up here for, they say it's a bike light, but I mean it's just a horizontal strap, so you could get creative and use it for a variety of things. But pretty much that is the setup, and I just wanted to share it because I hadn't really seen anybody using these bags for photography bags, and I think that they are great multi-purpose bags. The material is very durable, feels very solid, feels like it'll withstand the elements, and it just overall inspires confidence, because I can either just grab the mini quick pack if I want to just go out with this bag, or if I need a little bit more space or I'm going to be doing anything else, then I can just easily toss this in here and boom. So we still have some space in here. You can still organize this. I now use for my wallet, so I pretty much toss all of my stuff that I don't want to put in my pockets. I toss in here, and I just keep my wallet in the front compartment for easy access. And so this just gets tossed in here. You still got this nice compartment, so you've got like this storage here, and then you've also got this cinch to kind of keep all the stuff from basically falling out. So yeah, this is the mini Essential Tote and my kind of Luna Ultra setup for maximum portability. And yeah, I found that it's super solid, super durable, super quick, and really reduces the friction, because all I got to do is just grab the tote, or if I know I'm going to be filming, I can either take just a mini quick pack and not have to worry about anything else. So it makes it way easier, way more streamlined, and I highly recommend the bags. From all the research I've done, I love the company philosophy, what they stand for, and their why to why they build bags. And so I definitely don't mind supporting a company. And I'm out here in Denver currently, so I was able to get a lot of two out of 3 of these bags was bought at the Denver flagship store, which is really dope. If you have a chance and you're in the Denver local area, definitely check out the Topo Designs flagship store. But with that, that's pretty much it. It's a go.